Oh.
You haven't been on the YouTubes for a while?
No, it's been a while, hasn't it? We've just been a bit busy with actually treating and lost track of time, and
Patreon's been getting all the
Patreon's been getting a lot of content. So if you're missing some videos, jump over onto Patreon.
Patreon plug there.
Give that a subscribe, and you'll
subscribe to Patreon. Hello, it's me. Dude, I don't know. All right, okay. All right, all good?
Can we start with that?
Let's go. Just keep recording.
3, 2, 1, and you're on.
All right, hey guys, it's Matt from MMT with Jason.
Hey guys.
Also known as Dolphin Skin. So,
I love it.
So we're treating Jason's glutes, and then we're going to move on to his hamstrings because he's been training. He's getting back into lifts, eh?
Yeah, just upping the ante a little bit actually. So
spicing it up.
Yeah, just trying to peak for our physical challenge at the end of the year, Matty, you know, so...
Oh, mate, I've been going backwards.
The MMT challenge, so, yeah, big challenge we put down, I think, back in April. But I think it'll end up being who can do the most, so got to prime myself for that.
Oh, you're right, yeah. I kind of took it as like, I don't really need to do anything.
I knew that would be like...
Ninja
and Aaron would be very hardworking to make sure they were trying to win it. So
yeah, all right, I might start training now. Actually,
I'll listen to it. You reckon you can win with no training?
Dude, I've like gained 3 kilos in the last month. I've just been losing it. Always my orgonite coming out. Yeah, so just kind of warming up the glutes before I actually get into Jason's glutes properly.
It's good because it feels like I'd struggle if you went straight in with the elbow. But
is it feeling tender from that?
That's not too bad, nah.
Yeah, right,
that's a good warm up.
Yeah. That's what I do, man. I just kind of warm it up, get that first connection. It's all about connection.
That's it.
Yeah, from what I've learnt over the years. So yeah, after getting into the glutes, do you reckon your hamstrings would be a bit spicy?
Yeah, the left hammy particularly. It was just the first set.
That's one as well. Oh, lucky.
Yeah, okay. It was just the first set that I did on 180. I just sort of felt the hamstring not go, but it just like when you're not fully ready for that first heavy one, it just went.
Did you do multiple reps of 180?
I did 4 sets of 3 at 180.
Holy shizzle!
Yeah, that's why I'm sore, Matt.
What's your max?
210, but I'm going off 220 at the moment.
Crikey,
I'm trying to. I didn't want to say it because I was going to try and surprise everyone at the. I didn't want Az knowing what I was aiming for, so I didn't want him training for what I'm training for. But I think he'll be going for that anyway. So yeah, that was why I was going so heavy. So that's why it's sore in there now. Yeah. Oh boy.
Yeah, I can feel you trying to tense up.
Yeah, I'm trying not to fight it.
Yeah. Is the pressure okay?
No, it's good. I just need to let it go.
Yeah. Cool, man. And so if 210's your max, and like, is that like 2 point something above your body weight? What is that?
Nah, it's 3.
That's 3?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I'm probably about. How much do you weigh, Matt?
About 69.
Oh, okay. I'm 70, between 71 and 73. So yeah.
And you're a bit taller than me as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're pretty similar.
Yeah.
Pretty similar, you and I. Except I've got
minus the hairy ass. I didn't get that one.
This would be me, but you wouldn't be able to see what he's treating.
Yeah, so that's it.
You have to swap.
Unless we got the Manscaped out, in which case we'd fix that up, wouldn't we?
Yeah. Need to use the Manscaped. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Is your main spots? Is it kind of probably more the glute med kind of area?
Yeah, sort of where you are coming around here.
Yeah,
I reckon it.
Maybe some more glute tendony kind of spots?
Tendony, yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
But it's not as bad as I think I built it up more than it was going to be.
Yeah.
Because that just sort of feels like good pain at the moment, not too traumatic.
Yeah, that's what you want. As you're holding your breath.
Yeah, as I'm holding my breath, try not to let it hurt. Oh.
I haven't been on the YouTubes for a while.
No, it's been a while, hasn't it? We've just been a bit busy with actually treating and lost track of time, and
Patreon's been getting all the
been getting a lot of content. So if you're missing some videos, jump over onto Patreon.
Patreon plug there.
Give that a subscribe, and you'll
subscribe to Patreon.
Yeah, give it a little plug, or head over to our Instagram as well. We post stuff on there too. So
some behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, more stuff. Yeah.
think we're on
little
like
1 minute
6,000.
reels. So
Yeah.
you can sort of see what we do a bit more day to day. Oh, that's good. That's good pain.
Yeah, the sun was out. I was feeling good, feeling confident. So
Jump behind the
jump
camera,
on
Matty.
YouTube, why not? Got a haircut yesterday.
and shaved in a mo as well. How's he looking? He's going for sort of Mario look here, hasn't he?
Oh no!
I like it though.
Part of my jeans, the Italian jeans.
Yeah, he couldn't get away from it. We'll get him in the plumbing overalls, and then he'll.
That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just plumbing, mate.
Just plumbing. That's
Plumbing
it.
through Jason.
Oh,
Cut that out.
no, that'll stay. But that's all.
Yeah, I'll shut you up.
Mate, I didn't say it.
Oh dear. Yeah, I think last time I had like long hair on YouTube, and I think there was quite a bit of negative feedback on that one. So we'll see if there's any good ones on this video. We'll see. Got to make sure my fans are all happy.
That's it. Got to keep them happy, don't you?
All 2 of them. All right, I think we'll...
Better than none, though, Matt. Got to start somewhere.
Yep. Okay, syncing out. All right, bit of a break there.
Nice.
So
What's
now
next?
that up.
Bit of hammy.
Yeah, a bit of hamstring.
Nice.
So getting into the ischial tuberosity.
Yeah. So I was feeling from about here to here is where I reckon it will be sore, but
Yeah,
I'm sure
like on the attachment as well. Or
I reckon if you
belly?
start up there, it'll be it'll be high in the tendon, and then it'll get that top half will be
A bit more.
a bit more of a wedgie.
Okay, you asked for it. Okay, so mate. Yeah, so getting that connection first. The spot can be quite, I'd say, sensitive.
Quite
for some.
brutal, yeah.
You know, when you're putting a towel in this area for some people, they're like, oh, got to be gentle at first, and once you find those angles.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll say my elbows are probably my superpower at work. I think.
superpower.
Yeah.
Did you feel like you got good? Oh, that
It's got good power.
refers through to my balls. That's got to be good, right?
Yeah, it's a good sign, mate.
Oh, it's red hot up there. Oh, shizzle.
So I'm just kind of looking with my elbow. Just kind of letting it.
Looking with the
Yeah,
elbow.
looking through the elbow. That's what I'm doing, mate. Just getting a feel for it.
Yeah. Oh, what are you feeling?
Feeling for the ischial tuberosity.
Oh.
Just kind of getting that connection and not putting too much trauma.
Oh
just
yeah,
staying
that's good.
connected.
Oh.
Lots of feedback from Jace. This is a good turnout, Jace. I reckon this is good for you.
This will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's sore. Shit.
Have you had many injuries recently at all? Last one was your hamstring, hey?
Sorry?
Last one was when you did your hamstring.
Well, yeah, but I've had Achilles issues pretty much the whole footy season.
Really?
The whole first half.
Yeah.
But they cleared up sort of in the second half, and that's sore.
It's kind of when I flicked over to the next.
Oh.
section, I think.
Oh.
You need a breather, or are you good?
No, we're good.
Yeah.
I'm just
You've been doing this for years.
groaning through it.
You're experienced.
Yeah, it doesn't mean I'm good at taking treatment.
Leonbe had a client recently, and after he treated her, she was just like in the reception for like 10 minutes, just like having water, having a breather.
Having a run, yeah.
Yeah.
Bit of a recovery.
I was like to Leo, what did you do to her? It's like just a really thorough treatment.
Oh, wowza. Oh, wah wee wah. That's got a bit on it.
No, the catchphrases are from Jace today.
Yeah, they're all coming out.
Oh, well, really good. Yeah, I'm just kind of using my body, being like aiming myself in front of me.
Oh.
Using my body weight to kind of gain all this power.
I can feel that.
So I'll do some pulses now.
Oh. Shit.
These pulses help deal with the high pressure.
Oh. What are you doing to me, man?
Is it?
No, it's good. It's good pain. It's just.
Jace is sprinting after this, so can't go on too hard on him.
Yeah, thanks for that.
So I'm trying.
Oh wow, that's all. It's good pain though. It feels like it's clearing out some of those DOMs from training. So yeah, if you do go to the gym and you work out quite a bit, this is good treatment for getting rid of that soreness, and you'll be able to train better whenever you do your next session. So yeah, it's good for recovery, not just treatment for pain and injuries, but yeah, getting that recovery into the body, and that's just as important as the actual physical training that you do. So got to give the body time to heal and recover, and that way your training will be more efficient and more effective anyway, rather than just slogging away.
Yeah, for those who are always kind of changing up their training and always getting DOMs constantly, they should probably get some bodywork so it kind of clears it up a bit.
Yeah, sort of injury prevention as well, like rather than waiting for something to happen and then going, I'll go and get treatment now.
Yeah, because we often see that.
Yeah, it's pretty common, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone comes in and they're like, hey, my hammies have been tight for 10 years, but I just never get treatment. It's
I'll
like,
do this, I'll fix you. Sometimes you do. I'm just kind of got a bit more pinpoint with my thumb. Is there any sugar or money in this one?
I reckon, yeah, if you come this way a little bit.
Like
yeah,
that,
there, and straight down.
Straight down?
Yeah, like...
Yeah. Probably hard to see where my thumbs are.
No thumbs, Matty.
Come on, Matty, get the thumbs in. Oh, it's... Not as bad as the first one was.
Yeah, really feeling that bone.
Yeah,
Scoop it.
down that way. Keep going. You're going to hit something soon, I reckon.
Yeah.
Go this way.
Towards me?
Yeah, towards you. And now sink back in. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, we're getting it. Oh, the big double thumb gouge.
Yeah.
Yeah, ninja special.
I'm sweating now.
Sweating now.
It's all coming out.
It's all right. Sometimes you got to put yourself through some pain to fix someone else.
Yeah. Finish a shift and you're like, ah. Okay, see if the elbow's got any, can find any hidden spots, hidden gems. It's 2:15. So I've got the
It's 2:15.
Yeah.
What's that mean, Matty?
Means I've got a client soon. Alright. Any spots in here, Jace?
I reckon again, come down towards you.
Yeah. And then gouge down.
Yeah, keep going straight down from there, I reckon. Yeah, that. Stay on that line and go down the middle of the hammy. Oh, yeah. That's the one.
Oh, yeah. I do feel that.
Feel that?
Yeah. So I'm a bit sharper now.
Yeah. No, that's good. Good pain there, though.
Yeah.
Oh, you're coming up to some real interesting stuff.
Might get another Jason catchphrase.
Yeah, we might see what we can come up with.
Ooh-ha, ooh-ha.
Yeah, haven't had that one for a while.
I had a Spanish or Mexican client. He was like, what do they say? Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.
I thought that was just like I don't know, a TV show thing, like, you know.
You didn't think it was an actual
No.
phrase?
Nah, he kept saying it. I was like, oh, far out, it's funny.
Oh! That'll do it. Got some noises from the cameraman.
Yep.
That's always a bit concerning, isn't it? When
That's a bit concerning.
Concerning when the cameraman's making noises.
Yeah, that should be an easy one to edit. Just edit all the dumb things that I say.
No, yeah.
Keep all the
Addy
Jason
stuff in there, that'd be gold.
Oh, no.
Wait for the sign off, that'll be the interesting part.
Oh, shit. I was actually journeying that part. If this video never ends, I don't have to do it. Oh. Okay. And kind of finish it off there. A bit more?
Yeah, go through there and then I reckon you'll be all sweet.
Sweet.
I'll be fast as.
Yeah.
Quick as a rat up a drain pipe, as Ninja would say.
All those quotes. You love a good quote here at MMT.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, this was my hairy leg, there would be no chance of gliding like this.
Well, yeah, mine's pretty... Nah.
Nothing, mate. Okay. Cool. Now we sign off.
Oh, thanks, Maddie. That was
worries.
great.
Thanks for sharing the old body.
No worries.
We'll say thank you for watching the video. If you want to book in for a sesh, come and book for Maddie and Jace as well for the good chat.
Thanks, guys.
Cool.
See you later. Subscribe, follow, like, all those things. See you later. See you next time.